Afghanistan,
Afghanistan,
Kabul,
Kabul,
Armenia,
Armenia,
Yerevan,
Yerevan,
Azerbaijan,
Azerbaijan,
Baku,
Baku,
Bahrain,
Bahrain,
Manama,
Manama,
Bangladesh,
Bangladesh,
Dhaka,
Dhaka,
Bhutan,
Bhutan,
Thimphu,
Thimphu,
Brunei,
Pune,
Bandar,
Bandar,
Seri,
Seri,
Begawan,
Begawan,
Cambodia,
Cambodia,
Phnom Penh, China,
China,
Beijing,
Beijing,
India,
India,
New Delhi,
New Delhi,
Indonesia,
Indonesia,
Jakarta,
Jakarta,
Iran,
Iran,
Tehran.
Tehran,
What is the capital of Indonesia?
Jakarta,
Very good. What is the capital of China?
Beijing,
Excellent. Now, what is the capital of India?
New Delhi.